Broadside is one of my favorite producers in California's Central Coast, and here is a very cool proprietary blend that they make that combines Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot. This wine is called Printer's Alley, and what I really love about their wines, they have a general house style that sort of follows this format. The wines are made very naturally and very sustainably. They pretty much always use used barrels. If they use any new, it's very infrequently, and they use native yeast. So the expression here is definitely of California. These wines are ripe and they taste like warm weather wines, but they're so in balance and their acidity is just razor sharp, and this combination just yields such a beautiful wine. This is an incredible find that drinks like a far more expensive bottling, and it's really one of my favorite wines that I've tasted recently from the Central Coast.